Hey guys, wait a minute. Hey, drop it a notch. Man, with all these bass heads around Genius, you can't even talk to yourself. So today, my name is Gabriel, I'm from Genius Audio USA, and we're gonna talk about this little mid-range here. It's a slim mid-range, so it's gonna fit any door in the market. So 6.5, let me show you what we have. So again guys, it comes well protected. You gotta take all this tape in order to unbox it. 4 ohms, 6.5 inches, owner's manual, sticker, and your cardboard. This is to prevent any damage on the transportation for the mid-range. Let's put a box on the side, and I'm gonna show you the mid-range over here. As you can see, cloth surround, paper cone, and a bullet diffuser, so you'll hit those higher frequencies in the mid-range. So this mid-range can go from 188 Hz up to 8 kHz. So you got a wide frequency range. On the back, you will see all its specs. As you can see, it has 150 RMS, it's a 4 ohm, and it has a sensitivity of 96 dBs. All right. Other advantage of this mid-range is that as all of our lineup, almost all of them, it has push terminals. So you will be able to connect your wires. Even though it's a little mid-range, you'll be able to connect your wires without having problem with installation. All right, if you want to buy this mid-range or this bigger brother, the 8-inch, just log on to our website, which is geniusaudioUSA.com, and stay tuned for more videos. Now that we have shown you this product, hey, you can put it up again now. See you guys.